Disposed, meaning inclined or willing to do something. Synonyms: willing, prepared, prone. Example: he was well disposed to help his neighbors. Fictions, meaning stories that are imaginary rather than based on facts. Synonyms: tales, fabrications, myths. Example: the book is a collection of short fictions. Mulled, meaning thought about something deeply and at length. Synonyms: considered, pondered, reflected. Example: she mulled over the proposal before making a decision. Farcical, meaning absurd or ridiculous, like a farce. Synonyms: absurd, ludicrous, comical. Example: their explanation was so farcical that no one believed them. Vexing, meaning causing annoyance or frustration. Synonyms: irritating, annoying, troublesome. Example: the delay was extremely vexing. Fabricated, meaning made up or invented, usually to deceive. Synonyms: faked, forged, concocted. Example: he fabricated evidence to support his claim. Sophisticated, meaning highly developed, advanced, or cultured. Synonyms: refined, advanced, cultured. Example: the new software is highly sophisticated. Fending, meaning protecting or defending oneself from something. Synonyms: guarding, protecting, resisting. Example: she was fending off tough questions from reporters. Opaque, meaning not transparent, difficult to understand. Synonyms: cloudy, obscure, unclear. Example: the glass was opaque and blocked the view. Profound, meaning very deep, intense, or meaningful. Synonyms: deep, intense, significant. Example: her speech had a profound impact on the audience. Vigil, meaning a period of keeping watch, especially at night. Synonyms: watch, guard, observance. Example: the family kept a vigil by his bedside.